Have you ever scrolled past an article about AI and thought, what? Or seen those amazing AI generated images and wondered how they're made? Many other people are completely mystified by AI too. It feels like some complex, futuristic technology that is way over one's head. But want to know something amazing? AI is becoming more accessible to everyone. We'll talk about some AI tools later. And you don't need to be a coding expert to use them. So, in the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to take you from AI newbie to AI explorer. We'll cover the basics, see some incredible examples, and I'll even show you how you can start experimenting with AI today for free. We'll answer 3 big questions. What is AI, in plain English? What amazing things can it do? And most importantly, how can you try it out? Plus, I'll share a secret weapon for getting truly stunning results. It all comes down to how you ask the questions. Sound intriguing? Let's move on. So, let's tackle the big one. What is AI, really? Forget the scary robots from the movies. Think of it like this. We're teaching computers to think, but instead of giving them a giant rule book, we're giving them examples. Now, AI isn't just one thing. It's more like a family tree with different branches for different skills. You've got artificial intelligence. That's the big umbrella term. Under that is machine learning, where computers learn from data. Then you have deep learning, which uses something called neural networks. Think of them like digital brains, but vastly simplified. And finally, we have generative AI, and that's the star of today's show. Understanding these levels is key. AI's been around, but generative AI, the creating kind, is a recent game changer. Okay, pop quiz. How do you learn new things? Probably in one of 2 main ways, right? Imagine you're learning with flashcards. You see the question, you see the answer. That's what we call supervised learning. The AI is given the answers along with the questions. Now, picture yourself sorting a giant pile of Legos, but without any instructions. You might group them by color, by shape, maybe by size. That's unsupervised learning. The AI is finding the patterns and connections all by itself. And sometimes it's a mix of both. Think about learning a new language. You might start with some basic vocabulary. That's your labeled data. Then you start reading books and articles. That's the unlabeled data that helps you understand the nuances. That's semi-supervised learning. To recap, supervised learning uses labeled data, the answers. Unsupervised learning explores unlabeled data. But we're moving beyond analyzing to creating. Generative AI. This is where the real magic happens. It's like super autocomplete, but for everything. It can write surprisingly coherent stories. The purple robot danced under a disco ball made of cheese. It can paint breathtaking pictures. Imagine a swirling galaxy made of coffee beans and swirling stardust. It can even compose original music. Let's test your understanding. I'll describe something and you decide, is it generative AI or not? Ready? A smoke detector beeping because it senses smoke. Nope, that's not generative AI. It's not creating anything. What about a computer writing a brand new song? Yes, that's generative AI. It's creating something from scratch. See, you're getting it. This technology can create new text, images, audio, even code. The possibilities are truly endless, and many companies are making these incredible AI tools available for free. So, how can you start playing with this technology? Let's talk about AI tools. Picture this, you open ChatGPT. It's a free AI tool from OpenAI. And bam, the AI generates a beautiful, original haiku instantly. You didn't have to write any code, you just provided a prompt. Now, imagine using Gemini, a powerful Google AI tool. You could ask it, Show me a picture of that coffee-drinking cat, but make it look like a Picasso painting. And poof, there it is. A completely unique, stylized image generated from your words alone. Google also offers a whole range of other AI tools for understanding human speech, for translating languages in real time, text to speech, even speech to text. It's a complete AI toolkit, ready for you to explore. It's all about your ideas, powered by AI. But the real secret to getting amazing results isn't just the tools, it's the prompt. It's how you ask the question. Think of it like this. A vague prompt will get you a vague result. A specific, detailed prompt, that's where the magic happens. Let's compare. Bad prompt. Write about a dog. The AI might generate something, but it'll probably be generic. Now, a good prompt. Write a funny short story about a talking chihuahua who dreams of being an astronaut. See the difference? The more detail, the better the model understands your vision. Here are 3 quick tips to become a prompt master. First, be specific. Second, use style words. Photorealistic, cartoon, Van Gogh. Tell the AI what you want. Third, experiment. Try different versions. It's like a conversation. So, you're creating amazing things, but where is this technology actually being used today? Well, it's everywhere. AI-powered chatbots are answering customer service questions. Writers are using AI to brainstorm, overcome writer's block, or drafting content. Doctors are using it to analyze X-rays. Designers are creating logo variations. Scientists are discovering new medicines. Programmers are using it to write code. Teachers are personalizing learning. It's transforming industries as we speak. But hold on, before we finish our discussion, let's touch on something incredibly important. Large language models, or LLMs, are the AI engines driving many of these tools. They're a key part of generative AI, but not the only part. Generative AI is the broader field, encompassing things like image and even text-to-speech and speech-to-text generation, while LLMs focus specifically on understanding and generating text. Think of LLMs as the powerful brains behind the text-based magic, while generative AI is the whole creative artist. And it's crucial to use this technology responsibly. AI isn't perfect. It can hallucinate. That's the technical term for when it makes things up. Imagine a cat with 7 legs. You might actually get it. It's like a really good guesser that sometimes guesses wildly. And it doesn't think. It doesn't possess consciousness or understand like we do. It's great at recognizing patterns and mimicking human creativity, but it's all based on training data. That training data is key. These models learn from massive amounts of text and images. And because that data reflects the real world, it can contain biases, which means the AI, without meaning to, can sometimes reflect those biases. That's why companies like Google are deeply committed to ethical AI development. This means following principles like avoiding unfair bias, ensuring user privacy, and making sure these tools are used for good. AI is a powerful tool, but you are the creator. It takes practice and critical thinking. Wow, we've covered a lot. You've learned the basics of AI, seen the potential of generative AI, discovered AI tools, and even learned the secret art of the prompt. You're ready to explore. You've completed the 10-minute AI crash course. AI isn't scary or complicated. It's a tool, and you can use it now. Even the experts are still learning. It's a journey. Go out there. Be creative. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here and keep building your knowledge.